Hello friends, today we are going to see the interview questions part 3. For the previous two versions you can check the channel. Let's get started. The first question is, what is a module in Python? A module in Python is a file containing Python definitions and statements. It can be imported and used in other Python programs to access its functions, classes and variables. In the screenshot you can see a simple example of a module. So the file name is mymodule.py and I have just only one class in that. Sorry, I have only one method in that, welcome method. It just gets the name and prints hello the name. Okay, let's get into the second question. How do you import modules in Python? Modules can be imported in Python using the import keyword followed by the module name. Similarly, you can import a specific object or a definition or variable also. You can either import the whole module or a few part of the module. Okay, that will be explained in the upcoming videos. So here you can see the example. I have a module, the same module which we saw in the previous screen, welcome, and a method. So in my main Python class I'm importing the module, my module, and I'm just calling the method welcome with the name John. So the output would be hello John. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What are exceptions in Python? Exceptions in Python are events that occur during the execution of a program that disrupt the normal flow of the code. They can be handled using try except blocks to gracefully handle errors and exceptions. Suppose you have written a block of code and you accept there would be some error and some conditions, so you can catch the exception in the except block and run different set of code. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is the purpose of the try except else finally block in Python? The try except else finally block in Python is used for exception handling. The try block contains the code that may raise an exception. The except block is used to handle the exceptions. The else block is executed if no exception occurs in the try block. The finally block is always executed, so you can put anything that you want to run, always keep it in the finally block regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What are the built-in data structures in Python? Python provides several built-in data structures including lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets and strings. These data structures offer different ways to store, manipulate and retrieve data. The next question is, what is a list in Python? A list in Python is an ordered collection of items that can be of different data types. Means it can have strings, it can have integers, it can have floats, it can have another list within a list. Okay, and it is mutable, meaning its elements can be modified. Lists are denoted by square brackets and can contain elements separated by commas. In the example screenshot you can see a list that has 3 elements: apple, banana, cherry, and I'm just printing it. The output would be apple, banana and cherry. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is a tuple in Python? A tuple in Python is an ordered collection of items like a list. However, tuples are mutable, meaning you cannot modify the elements once assigned. Tuples are denoted by parentheses and can contain elements separated by commas. In the example, you can see I have a tuple that contains a string, integer, a boolean and integer values. So I'm just printing it. You can see the output is printed as expected. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is a dictionary in Python? A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key value pairs. It is mutable and allows fast access to values based on their associated keys. Dictionaries are denoted by curly braces and use colons to separate keys and values. So in the example you can see a sample dictionary where we kept description of a car, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. If you print, it will print with in a list form, a dictionary format, where the key is the brand and the model is the value is the Ford. Same way for other attributes. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is a set in Python? A set in Python is an unordered collection of unique elements. So the difference between set and list is this is unique elements. Even if you have a element 2 times, it will pick the last value. Suppose in the example you say apple, banana, cherry, and if you put apple, it will pick banana, cherry and apple. It will leave the first one. It is mutable and provides mathematical set operations like union, intersection and difference. Sets are denoted by curly braces or the set function. These are unordered, that means it can change. If you run this time, it prints apple, banana, cherry. If you run next time, it may print banana, apple, cherry, and the next time cherry, apple, banana. So they are unordered. Okay, the final question is, how do you concatenate strings in Python? Strings can be concatenated in Python using the plus operator or by using the join method. The plus operator concatenates two strings. If you want to join multiple strings, use the join method. You can see the example. The first example has value hello in A variable and word in B variable. C equal to A plus B. If you print, it will print hello world. Same way, I have a tuple that has Ram, Peter, Anand, and I'm joining using the join keyword, and I'm giving a special delimiter, that is the dollar symbol. When you print, it will add Ram dollar, Peter dollar, Anand. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.